Hi students, I am going to discuss in this video definite integral, one important small question. See that question, integral 1 to 2 x power 2x into 1 plus log x into dx. First what we have to do, integral 1 to 2 x power 2x means x power x plus x, meaning cannot be changed, into 1 plus log x into dx. A power m plus n means a power m into a power n. In the same way, integral 1 to 2 x power x into x power x into 1 plus log x into dx. After that, integral 1 to 2 x power x into, keep bracket, this x power x we can take into the bracket, x power x into 1 plus log x into dx. Here f of x is equal to x power x. If you take this value is x power x, differentiate with respect to x, f dash of x is equal to x power x into 1 plus log x. This is a standard formula. Now integral 1 to 2, this is f of x, this is completely f dash of x into dx. What to do here? One doubt will be there. Here we have one formula, integral f of x whole power n into f dash of x into dx is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. In the same way, this also, f of x means this power is 1. F of x whole power n is different from f dash of x. So it is in the form of, by comparing these two formulas, where n is equal to 1 here, which is equal to f of x whole power 1 plus 1, 2, divided by 2, applying the limits 1 to 2. Next, which is equal to, f of x means what we assumed here, x power x. So x power x whole square by 2, applying the limits 1 to 2, which is equal to, in place of x, first upper limit substitute, 2 power 2 whole square by 2 minus 1 power 1 whole square divided by 2. 2 square means 4, 4 square means 16, 16 by 2 minus 1 square means 1, 1 by 2. 16 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 15 by 2. This is the answer. And listen students, not only like this, after reaching of this step, if we assume x power x is equal to t, this will become dt. Like this also we can do. This is the regular method now. From here, x power x is equal to t, put differentiate with respect to x, x power x into 1 plus log x into dx is equal to dt. So this will becomes integral 1 to 2, x power x is t, the remaining term will become dt. Integral t dt means t square by 2, applying the limits 1 to 2. That means 2 square by 2 minus 1 by 2. Sorry, 2 square, t is equal to x power x. That is 2 square whole square by 2, which is equal to 2 square is 4, 4 square means 16, 16 by 2 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 15 by 2. In whichever the way you can go, you will get same answer. So like this method substitution, like this or formula form. This is also one of the important formulas in integration. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please do subscribe. Is there any doubts regarding this? You can message me. I will respond in proper time. Thank you very much.